Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this gorgeous brand new Audi S5 Avant Edition 1 S-Tronic. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Daytona grey colour, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear, this estate has privacy glass, adding a touch of sophistication. Rolling on 20-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin-spoke design in Audi Sport, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, with the centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, along with the skateboard dash. Now, one of the main features is the panoramic glass sunroof, allowing natural daylight to flood the front cabin. And as you sink into the driver's seats, with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo, and front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Along the dash, you have the MMI multimedia display, going on that home screen, with the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. As well as the options of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, along with driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Below, you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature, regardless of the weather outside. With the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings, or on them more warmer days, with the cool ventilation. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points and the Audi phone box with wireless charging. 2 cup holders for those morning coffees. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. This brand new Audi S5 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.